Hasby here with WTI. And do you get dandruff? I do. And I didn't know that until a few months ago. And well, I started to feel some patches on my scalp, and then I wanted to find out what was going on. And I found out I had dandruff. And that's why I was looking for the best option for me to help me with that. And then I found this Head and Shoulder anti-dandruff shampoo, and this one's the cool menthol. I love it. It feels so good whenever I am shampooing my hair. Since it has a menthol, I feel that it's so fresh on my scalp. I do feel the freshness right away. So when shampooing time comes, I feel super excited because I know that I'm gonna have a good time massaging my scalp with the shampoo. It has helped a lot with my condition. So that's why I come here today and give you this recommendation. Scent, I would say, is mint and really fresh. So whenever I'm using it, I feel like I'm eating bubble gum because it smells just like my favorite mint bubble gum, which is a great thing and really interesting. But yeah, I think I really found a good shampoo that meets all the requirements I need now that I have this condition on my scalp. So if you guys are trying to find a good option, if you guys have dandruff and you want to help yourself a little bit, well, this one from Head and Shoulders is for you, and that's my point of view.